Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Friends, in this video I'm going to give you the answers regarding the course Programming in C++ first week quiz assignment answers. So let's go into the course. Friends, don't scroll the video as there is no hurries. So just keep watching the video until the end, as if I make any changes in the video, if you scroll the video, so you will not able to correct those mistakes. So I tried my level best to give you the most accurate answers. If you find any incorrect answers, you can just comment in the comment section. So let's get into the video of assignment 1 in programming through C++. So for the first question, the answer is option C, that is asterisk P of 3. So option C is correct answer for first question. So mark it as correct answer. And coming to second question, here consider the following segment code, and they have given the line 1 P equal to A plus 5 and line 2 C out P of minus I. Then they are asking the output, and when you write this program, then you will get the answer as 360s, 60, 60 and 60. So option D is correct answer for second question. And coming to third question, they are asking the output when it is given size of shape. Here they given that size of int equal to 4, and they are asking for size of shape. If you write this program and execute in the compiler, you will get the answer as 16. So option C is the correct answer for third question. Friends, let's go to fourth question. Here the question is, consider the following code segment such that we should find the output. So if you compile this question or the program, you will get the answer which will not be predicted. So we can just mark the answer as unpredictable value because it is not compilable through normal calculations. So it is unpredictable value. So answer for fourth question is option D, unpredictable value. Coming to fifth question, consider the following code segment, and they gave the question as fill in the blank with appropriate options such that the output is 90, 40, 30, 20, 10, 50, 70, 60 and 80. So if you want the output like this, then we should replace the line 1 with the multiple options as option B along with option B. If you replace the line 1 with option B, that is data plus 5, or we can also replace as ampersand data of 5. So both represents the same code and the output will be same as the given above. So there are two answers for this question. The first one is option B and second one is option D. And coming to sixth question, consider the following code segment again, and they have given the empty line to replace the following options. So they asked that we should get the output as physical science. Physical science means the combination of and also the merging of string 1 physical and string 2 science. So the answers is, we can replace that with the addition operation string 1 plus string 2 as option A, and also option D, as I said above, merging is also called as append. So string 1 dot represents string 1 is appended to string 2. So I hope you got the answer as physical science, that is the combination of string 1 and string 2 by using addition operator, and also string 1 dot, it is appended with string 2. So physical science is the output in this case of D also. So the correct answers are two options here, that is option A string 1 plus string 2 and option D string 1 dot append of string 2. And coming to seventh question, consider the following code segment and the asking the output of this above code. So by compiling this, we'll get the answer as option A 0, 1, 2, 110 and 0. So option A is the correct answer for seventh question. And coming to eighth question, consider the following code segment and they are asking the output or if any error occurs in eighth question. In this eighth question there will be no error and we will get the true output or complete output, that is 132, which is option B. So mark option B as only correct answer for this, as they gave radio buttons. And final question, that is ninth question of this week 1 quiz assignment in programming in C++. They have again given a code segment like this, and they have given which statement is or are correct, because each statement represents a condition or a line. So here only one statement is correct, that is option B statement 2, because if you refer above statements, it is constant int asterisk p1 equal to ampersand 10, and similarly the below are given statements. Among the following, statement 2, that is asterisk p equal to 20, it is the correct answer. So mark option B as correct answer. So friends, I'm going to submit these answers and let's look once again the answers. So first question, answer is option C, and coming to second question, option D is correct answer, And for third question, C is correct answer. Fourth question, it is unpredictable value, option D. And coming to fifth question, there are two answers, that is multiple choice answers, that is option B along with option D. And sixth, A and D are correct answers. And for seventh question, there is single answer, that is option A. And for eighth question, option B is correct answer. And for final question, that is ninth question, option B is correct answer. So friends, if you like this video and you find this video helpful, please subscribe our channel, like our video and share to your friends. Thank you.